Welcome back, little friends. Today, let's learn our letters and sounds from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go. This is the letter A. A says like apple. Can you say it with me? Apple. Good job. This is B. B says B, like ball. Let's say it together. Ball. Wow, great work. Next is C. C says K, like cat. Say it with me. K, cat. This is D. D makes the sound D. D, like dog. Can you say dog? So smart. Can you guess the next letter? E, that's right. The letter E makes the F sound, like egg. Egg. Next we have the letter F. It makes the F sound, like fish. Can you say it with me? Fish. Good job. You did amazing today. We learned the letters A, B, C, D, E, and F, and their sounds too. Give yourself a big cheer. Yay! Keep practicing these letters, and next time we'll learn the sounds for G all the way to L. So don't forget to hit subscribe so you can keep learning with me every week. See you soon, little learners. Bye-bye.